Let's learn to make a teddy bear.
Hello everybody! Ha ha ha!
Teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, say hello. Teddy bear, touch your nose. Teddy bear, dance around. Hello everyone! So, can you guess what you're gonna do today? Oh yeah, we are going to make teddy bears. My mama is gonna teach you how to make small
Teddy
bears.
Yes, in today's DIY, we'll be learning how to make a small little teddy bear using wool. You ready to make this small little teddy bear? So let's get
started.
The teddy bear will require a cardboard of 4-inch diameter and another small cardboard piece which is 2-inch in diameter. A pair of scissors, a glue, or if you have a hot gun glue, you can use that also. And any color of wool, whichever color you need for the wool according to that. And for the eyes and nose, you can either take a bead, or if you have a black bindi, you can use that, or else any cardboard chart paper, black chart paper also you can make a round and you can use that. And for trimming the ends of the wool, we will use some round lids of the bottles. First I'll take the cardboard which is 4-inch width. I'll take a wool. I have chosen a yellow color. We'll put one end in this corner and we will start rolling it across. Okay, so you need to keep rolling like this over the cardboard. Make it a thick layer so that your teddy bear can be more fluffier when you trim it. So keep rolling. So I have done more than 100 rounds now on this, and it will look like this. Like if you are using a thinner cardboard, it might bend a little, so that's fine. Okay, so once you have finished rolling this, you just slowly remove this out of the cardboard. Okay, and just keep it like this. Alright, and then we will cut the wool. We'll take a string and keep it in the center, like in the middle. We'll keep this and we will put a knot, a tight knot like this. We'll do it in the center. It will look like a bow. Good. So we'll make it tight, tie it in both tighter so that it won't come out. Okay, it will look like this. And then put the scissors inside this gap and put it off like this. You have to cut from the center. Alright. So we'll need to cut this and you'll finally get this like this. We will make one more. One is for the body and one is for the head. So 2 pieces will make of 4-inch. The same way you will again make one more round.
Can I try?
Yeah, you can try. Roll it. Yes. And again roll back. Yes. Pom-poms like this. These are the bigger ones. Alright. And then we will make the smaller ones. Smaller ones we have to make 6. 2 for the leg, 2 for the ears and 2 for the hands. You can choose any colors, whichever colors you need you can choose. And the same way we will be taking the wool and you'll start rolling over the smaller one. Alright. The same way you will keep rolling the smaller one like this around the smaller board. Once we have rolled the small ones also, we will cut the same way. We just insert the scissors in between this and trim it from all the corners. We'll take the yellow pom-pom for the head, and we will take any circular shape, like any lid you can take which is bigger, and the other one should be smaller size. So what you need to do is, we'll take this and keep it in the center so that the rest of the extra hairs we can trim it off. So we'll keep it tight, okay, and trim the extras. Around and keep it in the middle and press it and trim the extras which is there around. Pom-poms are ready. So we have 2 yellows, and for the head and for the hands we have the smaller pom-poms. Can you see? Yes. So now what we'll do, we'll take a hot glue, or you can buy this glue fix, or even if you don't have, you can ask your parents to stitch it up for you. You can put needle from the center and stitch it also. So we'll fix the legs, we'll put the glue here, and similar way we'll stick the legs and the hands of the teddy bear. So I've used pink color for the head so that it can look a little different. And you can put the hands over here on top, the hand will be on top, and the other hand will glue it here, alright? Like this. After the eyes and the nose get dry, this is how your teddy bear will look like. Do you like it? Yes. So whichever color you want, you can make. You can use tricolors, your favorite colors, and do try making this and have fun, and you can have a new toy in your house.
So fun to make this teddy bear. So friends, please try this at home.
Yes. Do try it at home and send us the pics in our Facebook or Instagram link which is given below. And the best out of that we will be featuring in our next video. So till then, take care, stay safe
And be happy. And don't forget to like and share and subscribe.
Bye.